Hello, I'm Zenzi, it's a gossip girl. Hitbox posted this caption from the family combination community is praying for you, Mabozo, vocalist Karishma, Honorable Ntekheng Mike Mukhali. So this is the official media statement from the family Yabo Karishma. Media statement to all media houses, fans and supporters from family of Karishma, Melita Makoma Ribani. Family statement of the accident involving Karishma and Polokwane. In the early hours of Friday, 31st October 2025, our beloved Karishma Melita Makoma Ribani was involved in a serious motor vehicle accident along with 3 friends at the corner of Hobla and Makhasen Street in Polokwane. Tragically, the accident claimed the life of one of Karishma's friends, while the others, including Karishma, sustained severe injuries. We sincerely apologize to the public that we are unable to disclose the names of the deceased and injured friends at the stage, pending the completion of formal identification process and official statements by the respective families. Karishma is currently receiving comprehensive medical care in Polokwane. We would like to assure the public, her fans and supporters that qualified and dedicated medical professionals are doing everything possible to ensure her recovery. As a family, we are deeply touched by the overwhelming messages of support, prayers, and well wishes received thus far. We would like to express our heartfelt appreciation to the provincial leadership, especially the executive mayor of Polokwane municipality, Makoro John Mbe, and his MMC, Jerry Mamabulo, for their continued support and compassion. Our gratitude also goes to many artists and DJs who have supported Karishma and our family during this difficult time, including DJ Hitbox SA, DJ Janisto, Makadzi and her team, DJ Easy Soul, DJ Donila Mixa, and all close friends for their continued comfort and presence. We kindly request the public and media to respect Karishma's privacy and give her the space and time she needs to focus on her recovery. Issued by Karishma's family. For further inquiries, please contact Mughali, the brother. Those are the numbers. So if maybe you want to donate something, maybe you want to send flowers and so forth, you can just contact Karishma's brother. At the end of the video, Zanzi, please do not forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell. Bye-bye.
Modimo khopela o save Karishma for accident ay go ditjeng ba feletša ba montšha ka ra koloi ka go khatha ka dikating torch khopela o mo save le re mo rapeditšeng ka moka a gone gore a boye sepetlele a be sharp ke re speed recovery for Karishma ke le mo president for accident ay go ditjeng e shuro modimo a be le yena
motho a phela le batho ga botse o phela le batho ga botse ene a kere gore le moloi le re ka gore o rata ke batho ka re ke a tse gore moloi o ne o kwatela o ne gore motho o rata